Two states, two major announcements, two different plans. Just this afternoon in Washington, Governor Jay Inslee followed up on his announcement that he is extending the stay-at-home order through the end of May. It's part of a four-phase approach. Meanwhile, for the very first time, Governor Kate Brown has given Oregonians a possible date for when some counties could open up, May 15th. That's just 2 weeks away from now, but there is much more to her plan. Now, she announced specific measures designed to move the state closer to opening back up. Possibly the biggest development, a partnership with OHSU to significantly ramp up testing for COVID-19. Our Fox 12 Simon Gutierrez is live in Northeast Portland with how this is going to happen exactly. Simon?
Well, for the first time, the state will be doing random, widespread testing of Oregonians. The hope is to figure out exactly who is carrying the virus and where they are. As part of the push to eventually open Oregon back up for business, OHSU will randomly select 100,000 Oregonians and ask them to volunteer to take part in a year-long study during which they'll monitor their temperature and symptoms every day using smart thermometers that send real-time data back to researchers. They'll also get a home test kit to use if they develop symptoms of COVID-19.
This program is a game changer. It will give us a more accurate understanding of the true rate of infection in Oregon and to have ongoing precision monitoring of any new outbreaks.
Along with the study, the Oregon Health Authority will expand testing criteria statewide to allow anyone with symptoms of the virus to be tested within 48 to 72 hours. Right now, about 9,000 people a week are being tested, and the state hopes to ramp that up to 15,000 per week.
We feel that we have the capacity right now to do that, and with our capacity with our commercial lab partners and others, that we will continue to increase that capacity.
The state will also be training 600 healthcare professionals to do detailed contact tracing, identifying and isolating anyone who has come into contact with someone who tested positive for COVID-19.
As we open up and people start going about more and returning to some sense of normalcy, we hope that with our tracing and testing and investigation, by isolating people at home who are sick and quarantining those who are home who may have been exposed, we can prevent the spread and not see a surge that may overwhelm our healthcare system.
Now, as part of the study, 10,000 Oregonians will receive test kits to use immediately, even if they don't have symptoms. The idea is to get a better idea how many people are carrying the virus without knowing it. Reporting live in Northeast Portland, Simon Gutierrez, Fox 12 Oregon.